All right. So, how does a Stage 1 tune affect recommended maintenance intervals on a B8.5 S4?
Shouldn't really have much of an effect on
I don't
those.
think it would,
As long as you're using like good quality oil, that's really the only additional thing I can think about. It's,
oil change intervals, like they're kind of up to each person's discretion.
yeah, driving style, environment. If you're in like the desert versus Tahoe at elevation,
there's
it's going to change.
A lot of dust, or
it's going to change.
That's really hot.
Yep. Fuel quality, what fuels you're running, all of that can affect maintenance intervals more than just a Stage 1 tune.
Yeah, so I mean, I don't know. I mean, if I was just going to pull something out of my keister, I would say change your oil, 20% sooner, something like that. Just
if you really want,
if you're really hammering on it,
be safe with it. Yeah.
But generally speaking, none of our Stage 1 tunes are going to affect the quality. It could accelerate the B8s. Don't have the best high flow cats from the factory.
It's not really a maintenance interval, but it is a consideration.
That could be accelerated
those
slightly.
Kind of kick the bucket earlier than any other application nowadays. Really, a long time.
Just most cars aren't even maintained to factory standards. So if you do that, I think you'll be in good shape.
Yep.